That was sensational when you squirted your juices inside of me.
I'll get you an Uber to take you to the clinic.
This is Chris from ModeMunch, and welcome to another fast food fight. The show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them and make them look and taste like the retail products, all whilst reducing the cost. Imagine that a dirty lemon and a tropical beauty shared an intermittent blitz in a blender in the back of a kitchen, and they put it in the wrong glass. The $7 I would have assumed that they at least would have used a flavoured condiments while swimming in my glass hole. Or at least some protection like a tropical parasolic umbrella. It was okay. And for a sweet treat it could double up as a dessert set. You know what else is okay? Fingering my button while applying pressure to the tip of the belt. Then I know we can see each other as regularly as that could be better. Go on, you can regret it later. So peel and chop a pineapple, add it to a blender along with some lemon juice and ice. Along with that half cup sugar. Pulse on a high setting. Pour it into a glass over the top of ice. Top up with soda water. Add a pineapple wedge and a sprig of mint for decoration. Came in at 380 and is well worth making fresh. So I know we're friends, leave a comment. And so I know you're committed to the cause, buy the merch too. This has been Chris from ModeMunch, and I will see you next Tuesday.